Hey, smart readers, let's learn more tricky words. You. You. You are so kind. Your. Your. I like your drawing. Come. Come. Please come inside. Some. Some. I saw some birds in the tree. Said. Said. He said hello to his teacher. Here. Here. Here is a gift for you. There. There. There are toys in the box. They. They. They are my friends. Go. Go. I go to school. No. No. I said no. So. So. She is so tired. My. My dog is cute. Goodbye. Don't forget to press like, share, and subscribe.